That blinking yellow light on your Rogers modem, particularly on models like the Hitron Coda series or the XB7 XB8, usually signals an issue with your upstream connection. Upstream refers to the data your modem sends back to Rogers. This blinking typically means your modem is struggling to maintain a stable connection due to a poor signal-to-noise ratio, SNR. SNR measures signal strength relative to background noise. A low SNR means more errors and connectivity problems. Recent firmware updates have improved automatic adjustments, but issues still occur. Let's dive into why this happens. First, access your modem's web interface, usually at 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, to check your upstream power levels, ideally 35 to 52 BMV, and SNR, which should be above 30 dB. Start with basic steps. Power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Inspect all coaxial cables for damage or looseness. Ensure they are tightly connected. If the problem persists, consider the age of your modem. Outdated firmware can cause SNR issues. Rogers offers self-diagnostic tools in their My Rogers app for modem health monitoring. For persistent problems, contact Rogers support for a remote signal check. In some cases, a signal amplifier might be needed, especially in rural areas.